In the dynamic landscape of online marketing, Cpagrip stands out as a beacon for those seeking innovative avenues to monetize their digital presence. In the ever-evolving realm of affiliate marketing, understanding the intricacies of cost per action, CPA, is pivotal for individuals and businesses alike. This video aims to demystify Cpagrip and delve into the nuances of CPA marketing, offering insights, strategies, and a comprehensive guide on how to leverage this platform to generate substantial income. At its core, CPA marketing is a performance-based model where advertisers pay affiliates for specific actions taken by the audience, be it lead generation, sales, or click-throughs. Cpagrip, as a prominent player in this domain, provides a platform for marketers to connect with a myriad of offers and promotions, allowing them to earn commissions for each successful action driven through their promotional efforts. As we embark on this exploration, we will guide you through the essential steps of getting started with Cpagrip, from the registration process to the selection of lucrative offers. Moreover, we will unravel the strategies employed by successful CPA marketers, shedding light on the art of audience targeting, effective promotion methods, and the optimal utilization of Cpagrip's tools and resources. Join us on this enlightening journey as we unravel the secrets of Cpagrip, empowering you to navigate the challenges, capitalize on opportunities, and ultimately master the art of making money through CPA marketing. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newcomer to the digital realm, this video serves as your comprehensive guide to unlocking the full potential of Cpagrip in the ever-expanding landscape of affiliate marketing. 2. Understanding CPA marketing. As we plunge into CPA marketing, it becomes imperative to grasp the fundamental concepts that underpin this dynamic affiliate marketing model. At its essence, CPA marketing is rooted in the concept of cost per action, where advertisers compensate affiliates based on specific user actions. These actions could range from a user clicking on an ad, submitting contact information, making a purchase, or engaging in other predefined activities. Actions that generate earnings lead generation, acquiring potential customer information, such as email addresses or contact details. Sales, earning commissions through successful product or service sales initiated by the affiliate's promotional efforts. Click-throughs, compensations for directing users to the advertiser's site, emphasizing the importance of driving quality traffic. Delving into the intricacies of these actions lays the groundwork for crafting targeted campaigns that align with advertisers' goals, offering a deeper understanding of the diverse monetization opportunities available within the CPA marketing sphere. In the subsequent sections, we'll navigate through the practical aspects of Cpagrip, bringing theory into action and empowering marketers to embark on a journey towards lucrative earnings. 3. Getting started with Cpagrip. Now that we've unraveled the core concepts of CPA marketing, the next crucial step is navigating the terrain of Cpagrip and initiating your journey towards profitable affiliations. Registration process. Embarking on your CPA marketing venture with Cpagrip begins with a streamlined registration process. Head to the Cpagrip website and sign up, providing the necessary details to create your account. The platform typically requires standard information, and the registration is often straightforward, making it accessible for marketers of all experience levels. Approval requirements. While Cpagrip aims to be inclusive, certain approval requirements ensure the integrity of the network and the quality of its affiliates. Be prepared to showcase your marketing experience, methods, and perhaps your website or promotional channels during the approval process. This scrutiny ensures that affiliates align with Cpagrip's standards, fostering a reliable and trustworthy network. Choosing the right offers. With your Cpagrip account in place, the next critical decision is selecting offers that resonate with your audience and align with your promotional methods. Cpagrip offers a diverse range of campaigns spanning various niches and verticals. Carefully evaluate the offers, considering factors such as payout rates, conversion potential, and relevance to your target audience. As you navigate these initial steps, keep in mind that the choices you make at this juncture will set the tone for your CPA marketing journey. In the following sections, we will explore effective strategies for success, providing insights into audience targeting, promotional methods, and the tools at your disposal within the Cpagrip platform. Prepare to transform these foundational steps into a robust framework for your CPA marketing success. IV. Strategies for success. Now you're equipped with a Cpagrip account and a foundational understanding of CPA marketing. It's time to delve into the strategies that will elevate your success in this dynamic affiliate landscape. A. Targeting the right audience. The essence of successful CPA marketing lies in precision targeting. Identify and understand your target audience, their preferences, behaviors, and pain points. Tailor your campaigns to resonate with this audience, ensuring that the offers you promote align seamlessly with their needs. This not only enhances conversion rates, but also establishes credibility, fostering long-term relationships. B. Effective promotion methods. Social media marketing. Leverage the power of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach and engage your audience. Craft compelling content, employ targeted ads, and utilize social media analytics to refine your approach. Content marketing. Create valuable and relevant content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Incorporate your CPA offers organically within your content to boost conversions. Email marketing. Build and nurture an email list to establish direct communication with your audience. Craft persuasive email campaigns that highlight the benefits of the CPA offers you're promoting. C. Utilizing Cpagrip tools and resources. Explore the array of tools and resources provided by Cpagrip to optimize your campaigns, but also provide invaluable insights into the practical application of strategies. Let's delve into real-life case studies that illuminate the diverse paths to success within the Cpagrip ecosystem. A. Real-life success stories. The social media maven. Meet Sarah, a savvy marketer who harnessed the power of social media. By identifying trending topics and aligning them with Cpagrip offers, she created engaging content that went viral. This resulted in a substantial increase in clicks and conversions, showcasing the potential of social media platforms for CPA success. The niche blogger. John, a niche blogger, focused on creating in-depth content around a specific industry. By strategically integrating Cpagrip offers within his content, he not only provided valuable information to his audience, but also generated high-quality leads and conversions. This case study underscores the effectiveness of content marketing in the CPA landscape. B. Lessons learned from successful CPA marketers. These case studies offer key takeaways. Adaptability. Successful marketers adapt their strategies based on platform changes and industry trends. Audience-centric approaches. Understanding and catering to the specific needs of the audience is pivotal for success. Diversification. Exploring multiple promotional channels and methods mitigates risks and maximizes opportunities. By dissecting these success stories, you gain practical insights into the diverse approaches that lead to triumph within the Cpagrip community. As we progress, we'll address common challenges and provide solutions to fortify your journey in CPA marketing, ensuring you navigate potential pitfalls with confidence and finesse. VSIC. Common challenges and solutions. While the world of CPA marketing holds immense potential for profit, it's not without its challenges. Anticipating and effectively addressing these hurdles is crucial for sustained success within the Cpagrip ecosystem. A. Dealing with traffic quality issues. Maintaining high-quality traffic is paramount. Ensure that the audience you attract is genuinely interested in the offers you promote. Implement thorough vetting processes to filter out low-quality leads, reducing the risk of potential clawbacks or account penalties. B. Overcoming competition. In the highly competitive landscape of CPA marketing, staying ahead requires strategic differentiation. Continuously refine your targeting, explore emerging niches, and capitalize on unique angles to set your promotions apart. Embrace creativity to craft compelling campaigns that resonate with your audience, fostering brand loyalty. C. Adapting to industry changes. The digital marketing landscape is dynamic, with platforms and algorithms evolving continuously. Stay informed about industry changes, algorithm updates, and shifts in consumer behavior. Embrace a proactive approach to adapt your strategies swiftly, ensuring that your campaigns remain effective amidst industry fluctuations. As you confront these challenges, remember that each hurdle presents an opportunity for growth and refinement. The solutions lie in a combination of vigilance, strategic thinking, and a willingness to adapt. In the subsequent, exploring additional revenue streams within CPA marketing diversification is key to long-term success. Explore complementary revenue streams within CPA marketing. This could involve expanding your niche focus, testing new types of offers, or venturing into different demographics. By diversifying your portfolio, you mitigate risks and tap into a broader spectrum of potential earnings. C. Optimization techniques. Regularly analyze the performance of your campaigns and employ optimization techniques. This includes split testing ad creatives, refining targeting parameters, and staying updated on the latest industry trends. Optimization ensures that your campaigns remain efficient and effective, maximizing your overall earnings. As you delve into these strategies, remember that the landscape of CPA marketing is dynamic. What works today may require adjustment tomorrow. Stay agile, monitor key performance indicators, and be willing to adapt your approach based on real-time data. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve into the intricacies of the Cpagrip community and support system, providing insights into how connecting with fellow marketers and leveraging available resources can further enhance your journey towards financial success in the realm of CPA marketing. Yated. Cpagrip community and support success in CPA marketing is not a solitary journey. It thrives on community engagement and robust support systems. Within the Cpagrip platform, you'll discover a vibrant community of like-minded marketers and an array of support mechanisms that can significantly contribute to your success. A. Connecting with other marketers. Engage with fellow marketers within the Cpagrip community. Participate in forums, discussion groups, and social media channels where affiliates share insights, strategies, and experiences. Networking with others not only provides valuable knowledge, but also opens doors to potential collaborations and partnerships. B. Accessing customer support. Cpagrip understands the importance of responsive and effective customer support. Familiarize yourself with the available support. Many marketing insights and industry updates emerge from discussions. Actively participate in relevant forums and discussions to stay abreast of the latest trends, strategies, and potential opportunities. Share your experiences and learn from the experiences of others to refine your approach continually. By immersing yourself in the Cpagrip community and tapping into available support resources, you create a dynamic feedback loop that fosters growth. The collective wisdom of the community, coupled with the platform's support infrastructure, can prove invaluable as you navigate challenges, celebrate successes, and evolve your CPA marketing strategies. In the concluding sections, we'll explore emerging trends in CPA marketing and provide a comprehensive recap of key points, empowering you to stay ahead in this ever-evolving landscape. Tiers. Risks and pitfalls. While the landscape of CPA marketing is undoubtedly promising, it is essential to acknowledge and navigate potential risks and pitfalls to safeguard your success within the Cpagrip platform. A. Fraud prevention measures. As with any online venture, the risk of fraudulent activities exists. Implement stringent fraud prevention measures to protect your campaigns from invalid traffic, fake leads, or other deceptive practices. Regularly monitor analytics and stay vigilant for anomalies that might indicate fraudulent activities. B. Identifying and avoiding scams. In the digital realm, scams and illegitimate schemes can pose a threat. Exercise due diligence when selecting offers and partners, and be cautious of opportunities that seem too good to be true. Research potential collaborations, check reviews, and verify the legitimacy of offers to protect your reputation and earnings. C. Staying compliant with Cpagrip's guidelines. Cpagrip, like any reputable CPA network, has guidelines and policies in place to ensure fair and ethical practices. Familiarize yourself with these guidelines and adhere to them rigorously. Non-compliance could lead to account suspension or termination, underscoring the importance of maintaining a transparent and ethical approach to CPA marketing. By proactively addressing these risks, you fortify your CPA marketing endeavors, creating a resilient foundation for sustainable success. In the subsequent sections, we will explore the community and support available within Cpagrip, shedding light on how to connect with fellow marketers and leverage available resources for a more enriching and collaborative CPA marketing journey. X. Conclusion. As we navigate the dynamic landscape of CPA marketing, it's evident that this dynamic realm holds immense potential for those who navigate it with strategy, diligence, and adaptability. From the foundational understanding of cost per action to the strategies for success and the challenges faced along the way, this guide has equipped you with the knowledge needed to embark on a successful CPA marketing journey. Cpagrip, as a robust platform, offers a gateway to a diverse range of offers and opportunities. Your journey begins with a seamless registration process, where you become part of a community driven by a shared goal: maximizing earnings through effective CPA marketing. Strategies for success, illustrated through real-life case studies, emphasize the importance of audience targeting, effective promotion methods, and leveraging the tools provided by Cpagrip. Challenges, from traffic quality issues to the competitive landscape, are met with solutions that underscore the importance of adaptability and innovation. Provide a crucial network for learning, collaboration, and overcoming obstacles. Looking toward the future, emerging trends in technology, evolving consumer behavior, and the platform's response to industry changes all contribute to the exciting evolution of CPA marketing. Cpagrip is a dynamic adventure, and with the right knowledge and approach, success is within reach. Happy marketing! What the future trends in CPA marketing? As we conclude our exploration of Cpagrip and the intricacies of CPA marketing, it's crucial to peer into the future and anticipate emerging trends that will shape the industry. Staying ahead of these trends positions you for continued success within the Cpagrip ecosystem. A. Emerging technologies and their impact. Technological advancements, such as artificial intelligence, target audience. C. Cpagrip's response to industry changes. Cpagrip, as a leading CPA network, is likely to evolve in tandem with industry trends. Stay connected with platform updates, new features, and any shifts in policies or offerings. Adapting your strategies to align with Cpagrip's response to industry changes ensures a harmonious partnership that maximizes your potential for success. By proactively embracing emerging technologies, understanding consumer behavior, and aligning with the trajectory of Cpagrip, you position yourself as a forward-thinking marketer ready to capitalize on the future of CPA marketing. In the concluding sections, we'll recap the key insights from this comprehensive guide, empowering you to embark on or enhance your CPA marketing journey with confidence and strategic foresight.